Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid and once again I'm here for you, and today inshallah we will talk, and today I will brief you about all the tools, all the things which are directly or indirectly concerned with the text formatting. So you just need to follow me and some text is here. I will some I will apply some formatting with on rapid basis, so just you need to follow me. If you want the style of language, you need to size, bold, italic, underline. Some lines are also here, you can choose any other line as per your requirement. That line, more attractive look, background color you can remove as well. Select first, remove text color, right? By this you can remove the formatting. If you want to write your text in form of bullets, from here you can choose any style, numbering, and here some more styles. For example, if I want to draw a box on the edges of that paragraph, then I just select it, and from here I will to outside border, and you know the text is within the box. Control Z. This is a very beneficial, very attractive and very useful option whenever you are working on, for example, you are the student and you are working on different theses on different projects. Then this will be and in case when you have to submit your thesis, your report, or your any mandatory document to in the form of soft copy, then this option will be very useful, because you know, if you are working on professional thesis on professional documents, then you have to fulfill all the mandatory and all the useful and all the, for example, if you are working on the thesis, right, and there are extra spaces between your words and between your paragraphs, so and you need to just you need to submit your document in soft copy, in soft copy, and this will not put your positive impression in front of your teachers. So you need this will guide you that how to control, how you have to control on that problem, that you have to identify if there is some extra spaces between the paragraphs, between the words, between anything. So if you want to identify that problem, then follow me. You just need to control shift and G at the same time, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5. There must be 5 paragraphs, and if there are more paragraphs, because you know this sign is for paragraph, this sign will show the number of paragraphs. For example, 1 2 3 4 5, and here you can see there are 5 paragraphs. If I control and here I and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you know that, and just take an example that I was working, and when I was working with on a in a speed, and there is a random enter by me, and that was not under my notice. So whenever I will check the paragraphs, and it will show me that there are 6 paragraphs. So obviously it takes me that there is some problem in my document, because you know there must be 5 paragraphs, and that enter was um, unintentionally by me. So then I will go for the problem, then I will identify that problem, and I will check, and I will close it, and where is the enter? I will just escape. Now you can see, when I see from word count, there will be, here is 5 paragraph. There are some more features, like I will just click on it, and from here, this is the output. From here, my italic, bold, regular, size. This is the output, right? If I'm doing something, I'm doing anything, the output is here. Strike through, that's mean output will be like this. Double strike through, subscript, superscript, subscript, hidden, all caps, all smalls, right? So here are more tools for the text formatting. So today this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah in the next one we will talk for other ones. So see you, bye, tada.